boys, the first time I'm taking mom to the beach after coronavirus, so not after, during, well, whatever. So let's see how this goes.
பீச்சுக்கு வந்தது எப்படி இருக்குமா?
சூப்பரா இருந்தது. அதோட ரித்துவோட வந்தது இன்னும் சூப்பர். இந்த மாதிரி சான்ஸ் கிடைக்காது. எனக்காக மட்டும் ஒரு டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி வந்திருக்காங்கன்னா அது பெரிய விஷயம். Wish me many more to come.
The words uttered by my mom got me thinking a lot. As working adults, we tend to get too busy with our own lives. Our priorities change as we slog day in and day out in this rat race, burning away the most important commodity we have at hand, our time. We tend to take it for granted and at times lose sight of what's important in our lives. Parents always want the best for their children and nothing more. For someone who has sacrificed their lives for the sake of our comfort, well-being and happiness, there's only one thing that they truly expect: for us to spend some quality time with them. My parents are in their mid-50s. The average Indian lives for around 70 years, and if you take away sleep, work, vacations, etc., well, the number that you end up with isn't too pretty. I'm trying to emphasize on the inevitability of passage of time, and that how and whom we spend it with matters a lot. So the next time you see your parents, hug them, tell them that you love them and that you're grateful for them, for everything that they've done for you. Tell them that they matter a lot to you and consciously prioritize spending quality time with them. There's not much of it left. They say when you give someone your time, you're giving them a portion of your life that you'll never get back. Let that sink in. Take care.